Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to search on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app. So you can search from here. Otherwise you can go for friends and search from here. So go for search here. Okay. So if I search for Hello Kitty, so you can see all of those videos. So guys, this is how you can search on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.